If you miss Sidra chain from the beginning, don't miss Opal chain, because Sidra chain and Opal chain are like twins. So in today's video, I will show you everything you need to know about Opal chain. So this is your first time come across my channel, can you subscribe and check the link in the description section or comment section of the video, and join our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp group where we share step-by-step guide how to make money online and share more opportunities. So check the link in the description section or comment section of the video. You will find those links to join us. So for the Opal chain link will be in the description section or comment section. When you tap on the link, it will bring you to here. So here this form is required your name. This is your first name, last name, username, email, password, confirm password, and referral code. So after you fill all your details, then you tap on I agree to the terms of use and the policy. So check it. After that, you tap on create account. So an email will send to your Gmail to copy this code to verify your email. So here you copy this OTP code to enter to verify your email. So after verify your email, it will require you to enter your login details, which is your email and your password. So you enter your email. So after type your email and your login password, then tap on login. Guys, you can see everything looks like Sidra. So that's why I said if you miss Sidra, don't miss Opal chain. If you miss Sidra chain, don't miss Opal chain. So after that, you tap on claim. So guys, after claim it, you can see the countdowns, 11 hours 52 minutes and some seconds. So after this countdown ends, we come back and claim another again. And guys, to get full access to your dashboard, what you need to do is to tap on this three dots here. So here we tap on add to home screen. Here you tap on install, but I can see this app is already installed, so I have already installed. So let's go back, come to your home screen, you tap on Opal chain. So here you scroll down here, you see reason for KYC rejection. This is the latest update. So here you tap on read more. So you can see reason for KYC rejection: the system has detected duplicate facial records which prevent verification. The email associated with the user account has not been verified through the user dashboard. Note, once both issues are resolved, unique face verification plus email verification, the KYC can be approved within approximately 2 to 4 hours. So guys, to know your email have been verified, what you need to do, if you come to the explore section here, so here you can see user dashboard. So once you tap on user dashboard, you can see my email have been verified. You can see the blue tick there. The two Opal chain we claim is here. So guys, you can see everything show that this is like Sidra. Everything looks like it is Sidra. So guys, verify your email. Once you see your email is not verified, then you do it, because without verify your email you cannot do your KYC. As I read on the latest update, it looks like Sidra. It's everything like Sidra. If you come to the wallet section, see the wallet section, it is like Sidra. You can view your balance like this, send and receive it. You can come to the send section here. You can send Opal to someone. And if you come to the explore section here, you can see Opal pad. You can see Opal KYC, Opal analytics, Opal staking, white paper, ledger, and so many things. So let's tap on the KYC section. So the KYC section is very simple. What you need to do is to fill your name, last name, your country, phone number, city, and your zip code. So that's after that you verify your face, which is the camera section here, and after that then it goes. So in my next video I will show how to do your KYC step-by-step guide so that you don't make any mistake. And if you click the analytics section here, here is the analytics for the project, which is the Opal chain. So here you can see so many things here. So if you scroll down to here is the overview. So for the overview, you see total supply is 153 million and this is the circulating release and the remaining. And you can see you have mined 3.62 million and migrated 1.54 million, and this is the breakdown circulate. And so here you can see user growth and another those things. So guys, this shows that there will be a value in this project. You can also stake your Opal coin. So if you tap on stake, so here you can see on the top here, you can see earn passive income, stake your coins and earn monthly reward. Choose your preferred pool and watch your worth grow with industry leading APY. So your balance will reflect here, and you will see total stake, average APY, and the active stakers also at 635. So you can see on stake reward and the amount have been staked, and you can see the standard pool. You can tap here, see the elite pool, premium pool, and the standard pool. So after that you enter your amount here. So after that you tap on start staking here, and it will automatically stake for you. You can also switch if you don't like this color, you can also switch to any of color you want. You can see mine have been changed to white. So let's go home. So if you come home, you can see this is a different interface. You can see this here is white, the here you can see white here, and you see and tap on here again, you can see after changing it, you can see the background also have been changed to black. So guys, that is how basically about the Opal chain. So this is your first time come across my channel, can you subscribe to this channel? Check the link in the description section or comment section of the video, and join our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp community, so that whenever we discuss anything about Opal chain, you will not be missed. See you guys in my next video.